Welcome all. Our today's topic is project management cycle. How a project start and come to its end. All these steps. This is a process completed in the phases, and we call it as project management cycle. It is well defined, and it's necessary to follow these steps for a successful project. Here in this life cycle, we have mainly five phases, or sorry, we have four phases, namely initiation phase, planning phase, execution phase, and the closure phase. We can see this in the graphical format like this: project initiation, project planning, project execution, project closure. All have some well defined steps. Project initiation, we will provide the project definition. In project planning, detailed planning is made. In project execution, a proper monitoring and control process will followed, and in the closure phase we will follow a project review, what we want, that is attained from the project or not. Okay, now let's check these phases separately. The first one is initiation. In this phase of the project, we identify a business need, problem, or opportunity, and brainstorm. Or we can say, in the initiation phase, we will define our problem, or what we have to do, or what kind of problem we want to solve. Uh, During this step, we figure out an objective for our project, determine whether the project is feasible, and identify the major deliverables of the project. As you all know, first of all, we will check the feasibility of the project. If the project is not feasible, then we will quit or we will terminate the project at the early stage as well. The next one is planning phase. In the planning phase, we will setting out the roadmap that we follow to complete a particular project. It have some following plans that we have to prepare, like project plan, resource plan, financial plan, quality plan, acceptance plan, and communications plan as well. These are types of plans. We will discuss about these in the upcoming videos. In this phase, you break down the larger project into smaller tasks, build your team, and prepare a schedule for the completion of assignments. Completion of assignments means what kind of work that will be assigned to you, you will complete that particular. The execution phase, the project execution involves building the deliverables and controlling the project delivery, scope, cost, quality, risks, and issues. As the name execution, in the execution phase, we all are ready to work. We all have a very good setup and well prepared plan that we have to follow. Okay, now, or we can say, in this execution phase, we will turn the plan into the action as well. the here the project manager should do some task that it's the responsibility of a project manager that keep the work on track. Okay, organize its team members, manage timelines, and make sure the work is done according to the original plan. This will done as a manager regularly take follow up what is going on. Okay, the last phase is closure. Closure means when we completed our work, a team enter in the closure phase. In closure phase, we provide final deliverable, release project resources. Release project resources means what kind of resources you have acquired to complete a project. After completion, you will release them for the for other type of projects or for other team, and determine the success of the project. In the closure phase, as we have discussed earlier, that we will take a review. The product that we have prepared meets the planned one or not. If there are some differences, then we will take a review, and again if there is any differences, then we'll again follow this cycle. Okay, this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your notes and be in learning mode always.